morning, yaar. Come in, sit with me for a little while. I want to ask you something honestly. Are you comparing your English to others? Because I did the same thing, Noiden. And better, it was quietly destroying my confidence.
Let me tell you a small story. There were two plants in the same forest.
One was a tiny seedling, just two leaves. So small, so new to this world. The other was a massive mango tree, giving shade to the whole village for 50 years. The seedling looked at that big tree and thought, what is even the point of me? Okay, now I want to teach you 5 words that completely changed my mindset. Word number 1, progress. Say it with me. P-R-O-gress. Not perfection. Progress. Word 2, consistency. Con, S-I-S-10-C. This one word, this is your biggest superpower.
Now you say it. Don't be shy. Your accent is beautiful. Repeat after me, okay?
Can I tell you something honestly? Like Didi talking to her little sibling honestly. I used to watch fluent English speakers and feel like I would never be enough.
Here is what nobody told me, sir. That fluent person, they also had a day one.
The only difference between them and you is that they kept going. That is all.
Okay, beta. Now I want you to do one small exercise with me. Get your notebook. Write this down in English, in your own handwriting. I am not behind. I am on my own path.
Second sentence. My accent is part of who I am. It is not a mistake. It is me.
Read these every morning, out loud, in your own beautiful voice. Full volume, no shame. Before I go, I want to show you something that made me cry the first time I saw it.
Look at this plant. 3 months ago, just 2 tiny leaves. Look at it now. Beta, this plant is you. It was always growing, even when you couldn't see it.
Keep going, Yar. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, Opiz, okay?